Steven from the dev team here, coming at you with another update. We are looking at the revamped email builder. So in the revamped email builder, you can see the clear UI and UX, the design and experience changes that you are seeing here. And you can see a little bit easier use of dragging and dropping your elements over into your email, as well as better section and element management. So you can hover over sections to determine where in the email the section is, and if you want to make a change there, then you can see the columns and images. And so all of that allows you to see that, and then you can also hide or show on mobile. You can edit, you can delete, and just overall see kind of a better layout of the pieces and parts of your email. And then you can come here and you can still see all of the normal appearance, with the new piece being mobile formatting. So it only works in the mobile version of the email template, and so you can determine overall changes to settings, such as a heading H1. So if you've got something that is a heading H1 style, and maybe it needs to appear differently on mobile than it does on desktop, you can change how heading H1 appears. You can center the text, so you can make it look better on mobile overall. So the new mobile formatting is something we're really, really excited about. You've got over here the ability to save, and then the ability to test, preview, see version history, and see all of your settings just like you did before. So this is a big design change and some functionality change as well, one that we're really, really excited about.